everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at something that might seem simple, but is absolutely crucial for anyone relying on their Dymo Labelwriter, the FASPKOW6 6FT USB cable cord. This isn't just any cable. It's specifically designed to connect your Dymo Labelwriter 310, 320, 330, 400, or 450 turbo to your PC, ensuring a seamless and reliable printing experience. One of the first things you'll notice, and a significant advantage, is its generous 6.6-foot length. This extra reach provides so much flexibility in your workspace. No more struggling to position your label printer right next to your computer because of a short cord. You can set up your Dymo exactly where it's most convenient, whether that's on a different shelf, across a larger desk, or even tucked away slightly. This freedom alone can make a huge difference in workflow efficiency and overall desk organization. Compatibility is key with these specialized cables, and the FASPKOW cable delivers. It's engineered to work perfectly with a wide range of Dymo Labelwriter models, from the 310 all the way up to the 450 turbo. This means you can be confident that when you plug it in, your printer will be recognized by your computer, and data will transfer without a hitch. There's nothing more frustrating than a printer that won't connect, especially when you're in the middle of a big labeling job. This cable aims to eliminate those headaches. When it comes to USB cables, reliability and durability are paramount. While we don't have specific material details, a good quality USB cable like this one should offer stable data transmission, preventing print errors or connection drops. It's built to withstand the everyday demands of an office or home environment, ensuring a consistent connection for all your labeling needs. Whether you're replacing a lost or damaged original cable, or simply need a longer alternative, this FASPKOW offering presents itself as a solid choice. It's an essential accessory for maintaining productivity with your Dymo Labelwriter, providing that vital link between your computer and your printer. For anyone who uses their Dymo printer regularly, having a dependable cable like this is non-negotiable. It's about ensuring your tools are always ready to perform when you need them most.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.